so today I'm going to give you a channel update, and this is number 6. The last time I did a channel update was back in January 2016, so 3 years ago I did a channel update. It's a bit funny because I said in my last video that I was going to try and do a channel update once every 6 or 7 months.
I sort of aim to do channel updates every 6 or 7 months.
And obviously haven't. But since then a lot has changed, and if you have followed my channel, you would have seen that I've moved to Plymouth University and I've also started a degree in digital art technology. So I haven't necessarily done a channel update, but I have done videos about what's going on in my life. To be fair, the last couple of channel updates, I don't really know who watched them anyway. They've got 30-40 views, so I would apologise, but then again, who's watching them in the first place? So one of the main purposes for this update is actually say I'm running for VP Activities and Development for my student union. I'm actually going to make another video on that, but this is just a video to say that I'm running for it. Obviously I have to campaign and I have to get voted for it. There are currently 23,000 students at Plymouth University and they have to elect me by majority. In terms of the channel itself, I'm not really sure what to do with it, and that is because I've made 3 separate brands in the last couple of years. I've made one called Davidson Video Productions, and that is essentially a channel dedicated to producing my best video production projects. Then I made another one called Davidson Reviews, and that is essentially doing what I've been doing on this channel and just doing it on that channel. And then I made another one called Davidson Free Media, and that is for giving out free content essentially. So that was just a quick update on myself. If you want to follow me, you can find me on Facebook or Instagram. I'm trying my best to post regularly. Sometimes I can't. Sometimes I don't post as much because I have my other brands that I'm posting on. But again, I think I'm going to make separate videos on those brands on this channel and talk about those. So that was just a quick update. Thanks for watching.